Hey, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the unboxing of the AS6510T Lockstar 10. Let's jump right in and explore what's inside this sleek package. First things first, let's crack open the box and unveil the AS6510T Lockstar 10. Now, before we get hands-on, let's take a 360-degree look at the product specifications. We're giving you a spin around the box to showcase all the details. Around and around we go, taking you on a tour of the box from all angles. It's not just what's inside those counts, but the outside too. Removing the foam packing and uncovering what's hidden in those smaller boxes. Quote. Here are power cable connectors and 4 other connectors. Stay tuned for a seamless setup. Let's take a quick look at the installation guide to ensure a smooth NAS setup process. The moment we've been waiting for, let's gently take the NAS out of the box and get a closer look at its design and build. Unwrapping the plastic packing to reveal the sleek aesthetics. First impressions matter. Now, let's explore the heart of your storage solution, the hard drive tray. Watch as we reveal and secure it back in place. Count with us, a total of 10 drive slots, promising vast storage possibilities. Imagine the data you can store. Getting hands-on, here are some buttons and indicators. Let's decode their functions and features. Flipping over to the back, a hub of connectivity awaits. Ports, big exhaust fans for optimal cooling, and of course, the power ports. The NAS comes bundled with Western digital drives, each boasting a whopping 18 terabytes. That's some serious storage power in your hands. And there you have it, the AS6510T Lockstar 10 unboxed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and stay tuned for our upcoming in-depth review. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy unboxing.